I'm gonna fill the side of the image. Then I'm gonna straighten up her dress to make it look even and much nicer. Yeah, so I'm gonna press and hold Control and then J to make a duplicate of it. And then let me come to the side first. And then let me just go to Filter and Liquify. Alright, so we have our image open up in the Liquify for us. So I'm just gonna increase the size of the brush a little. Make sure this one, the first one, forward warp tool is selected. That is this one. So I'm gonna drag. Make sure it's looking nice. Like that. Then press and hold the space bar. And then just position your image the way you want it. Let me zoom out a little and see how it's looking. Let me just drag it out a little bit more. Let me straighten it out a little bit more. Zoom out. I always love to zoom out because when I zoom out, I see like if the image is on a phone, it's gonna appear as a thumbnail. All right, so I think this is okay for me. So I'm gonna select OK. Okay, so we have our image looking good. So then I'm gonna merge these two layers together by pressing and holding Control and then the background layer, right click and then merge layers. So we have our image together on one layer. That is the background layer. All right, so I'm gonna zoom into her face and then just check for the imperfections and stuff on her face that I'm gonna edit. All right, so let me just go in and start my skin retouching.